So here at Matsu, we focus on the highest quality of ingredients that we can provide, even down to things as simple as our soy sauces. The base of Japanese food really revolves around 3 central seasonings, but soy sauce being one of those central seasonings. It has been used for generations and centuries in the cuisine. Every dish at Matsu gets soy sauce in some sort of aspect. We carry up to 12 at any given moment, various ages, and infusions to give us different flavors, some finishing and some for the cooking process. This one here is called Usukuchi Shoyu. It is a younger, lighter soy sauce, heavier in the salt taste, but typically used during the cooking processes and less at the end or finishing, but it's something that you would use as you're simmering meats or vegetables. These two are definitely finishing soy sauces. This one aged in whiskey barrels for a minimum of 2 years. And then this one has the infusion of matsutake mushrooms or pine mushroom, which is seen similar to truffles in Japanese cuisine in terms of quality. Each different soy sauce is integral to our flavors and our cuisine here. We're happy to walk you through and explain where they fit in, why we used that certain soy sauce, and further explore how different each soy sauce could truly be and why they matter.